Whether you're just starting out in the kitchen or are an experienced home cook, having the right cooking tools on hand is essential for a successful cooking experience. Having the right items in your kitchen can make all the difference when it comes to making delicious meals. Number 1. Knives. A good set of knives will last you a lifetime and make prep work a breeze. High-quality knives are typically made from stainless steel, and it is important to choose the right sharp knife for every cook. Number 2. Cutting boards. Cutting boards are essential to ensure your food is prepared properly. There are 2 types of cutting boards, wooden and plastic. Whichever type you choose, make sure it has a non-slip grip to keep it from sliding around on your counter. Number 3. Measuring spoons and cups. They are essential for properly measuring ingredients for baking and cooking, ensuring your recipes come out as expected. Measuring spoons and cups come in a variety of sizes, allowing you to easily measure both dry and wet ingredients. You can also use these tools to portion out ingredients, such as when you are portioning out batter for muffins or cookies. Number 4. Peeler. A peeler is one of the most basic essential cooking tools for your kitchen. It is a simple, handheld tool used to peel away the skin of fruits and vegetables. Whether you are peeling potatoes for soup or slicing apples for a pie, a peeler can make your life easier in the kitchen. Number 5. Pots and pans. Pots and pans come in basic varieties such as stainless steel, cast iron, and non-stick, but you can also find specialty items such as copper, titanium, and ceramic coated. A great tip when buying cookware is to buy matching sets as they are usually cheaper than buying them individually. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.